The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 26, Dharani. Thereupon, rising from his seat with his right shoulder bared, Bodhisattva Vaisajaraja faced the Buddha with his palms pressed together, and spoke to him, saying, O Bhagavat, if there is any son or daughter of a virtuous family who preserves the Lotus Sutra and recites it, is versed in it, and copies it, how much merit will he or she attain? Then the Buddha addressed Vaisajaraja, saying, If there is any son or daughter of a virtuous family who pays homage to Buddhas numbering as many as the sands of 800 myriads of kotis of Nayutas of Ganges rivers, what do you think? Will the merit he or she attains be great or not? The Buddha said, If any son or daughter of a virtuous family preserves a verse of 4 lines of this sutra, recites it, understands the meaning, or practices what it teaches, his or her merit will be very great. Thereupon, Bodhisattva Vaisajaraja addressed the Buddha, saying, O Bhagavat, I will now give the dharanis to the expounders of the Dharma and protect them. He then recited a dharani. Anye manye mane mamane, chite charite, same samita visante. Mukte muktatame, same avisame, samasame jaye, ksaye aksaye aksine. Sante samite dharani, alokabase prachavexani, nidiro abhyantara nirviste. Abhyantara parisudhi mudkule, arade parade, sukanksi asamasame, Buddha vilokite. Dhamma parixite, samga nirgo sanirgoni, baya baya visodani, mantre mantraksayate. Rute ruta kausalye, aksaye aksaya vanataye, vakule valoda, amanyanataye. O Bhagavat, this mantra dharani was spoken by Buddhas equal in number to the sands of 62 kotis of Ganges rivers. Anyone who attacks or slanders an expounder of the Dharma also attacks or slanders these Buddhas. Thereupon the Buddha Shakyamuni praised Bodhisattva Vaisajaraja, saying, Splendid, splendid, O Vaisajaraja! Out of compassion you have taught this dharani in order to protect the expounders of the Dharma. It will greatly benefit all sentient beings.